What's up, everybody? Coach Springer, Spartan Basketball, here with another car series. There's a saying, and I don't know if it's just within the self-improvement world or it's just a saying within, in general. But there's a saying that sometimes you stand upon the shoulders of giants. And I think it's a fantastic saying that just makes so much sense. And basically, the point in it is that, a lot of times people think that those who have created something great in this world and made a huge impact in this world have done it just on their own, but it's not really true. They've stood on the shoulders of giants in the sense that they've taken from other people have created, impact that other people have had, and they have built their success, they've built their influence based upon that. It's a really great theory because it really, it's really what it's about. There's really no one that's created anything great without standing on the shoulders of another giant, so to speak. And I think it was brought to my attention again today, and basically I took a second step, stepped back and said, wow, everything I've been able to accomplish has been based upon that. And it still is now, and it's really an enjoyable feeling because it's put me around some amazing people, some very amazing people that have really changed my life for the better, not only just on my skill sets and what I've accomplished, but just enriched my life. And I think that we should all try to find shoulders to stand on of giants and see what we can accomplish with that. Now, the other edge of that sword is that I really, really think, and I stress this all the time, that we should be giants within ourselves. We should all have broad shoulders that others can stand on and make an impact and make an impact in this world way beyond whatever our life is. And so we must find that balance to do that, is to stand on others' shoulders in whatever way, form, that we're going to create something great in this world, and then become that giant as we do so. I think that's so important. I think that's a part of life that everyone should try to reach in every way. And even if it's just to teach your children like that. I know with Tim and Lorenzo, my sons, that's very important to me. I want them to know that their father did that to be able to create the success he did in life and what he was able to do to provide for his family and the opportunities he was a lot based upon me standing on the shoulders of giants. But then I also want it very important to them to know that not only his father, but his mother, because she's doing amazing things in this world as well, they became the giants that allowed others to stand on their shoulders. And that's important. I want them to feel by our example that that's the way it's supposed to be, that that's natural, that's normal, and that people should look to do that in whatever endeavor they pursue in life. I think that is absolutely critical. So that's something to kind of chew on for a little bit. Think about that. What shoulders are you standing on? And if not, go stand on some shoulders. It is so much greater living life standing on those shoulders and seeing life from their perspective and learning from their perspective and being able to walk in some paths that they've created. It's amazing. And then it's even more amazing when you start creating your own and you feel the impact and the return you get from doing such wonderful things. So today's about standing on shoulders. Find your giants, stand on them, and become your own giant. Take care. God bless.